So in this lecture, we are going to learn how to add the audio, video, and the figure, right? So what we want. First, we want to add audio in our source page. Second, we want to add video. And third, we want to add an figure to our source page. So let's go and start with the audio. For audio, we use the audio tag. Audio tag is used. Opening audio tag and the closing audio tag. And inside the audio tag, we have to specify the source. What is the source? For that, we use source tag. And we have to write the source. We have one audio file in this folder. See, inside the basics.html in which our source code is there, I have one audio file. This is the audio file. I want to know its name. So click on properties. You can see the name is best instrumental song and the extension is M4A. It's the M4A file. Let's use their source equal to that file name dot M4A and type equal to, we have to add audio. It is an audio and slash extension. So this is the method of adding the audio. Let's save it in and run it in the browser. Right click over here and open in browser. So you can see there nothing is can be seen here. So inside the audio tag we have to write controls. Then only we will be able to see controls, right? It is a boolean attribute. So whether we write it or not, we have seen boolean attribute earlier also. Just refresh the page. As you can see now, the controls are added. So you can see that we can see that our browser is not supporting the M4A file. So we will see the MP3 file. For that I have downloaded one MP3 file also. So this is the path. I'm going to paste it, and its name is source name is example.mp3 extension, and the type is audio, and the extension is mp3. Now we are going to check control s, save, and then refresh the page, I'm refreshing the page now. The page is currently not refreshing. Let me see what happens. I'm clicking over it, but it is not refreshing currently. So now you can see it is refreshed, and when we click on play button, it should be played, right? So I'm clicking on the play button. So as you can see, the audio can be played now. So this is how we can add the audio tag and that. Now we will learn how to add video to our source file. So let's code it. The video should be seen like that. The control should be there, play button, pause button, full screen, and controlling the where we have to play. This all things should be there. For that, we use the video tag. So let's code it. We are going to add video and the source attribute source tag source src equal to I have one video file. Let's see what's the name of that file. The name of that file is best instrumental song. It's an mp4 file. We have to check copy the file name. For that, let's click on the properties, right click over here, then click on properties. So we have copied the file name. Here I'm going to paste it over there. Best instrumental song dot mp4, and we have to write the type also. Type equal to type equal to it's a video and it's mp4. So save it using Ctrl S and then refresh the page. So as you can see, we are able to add video here. Try to play it. So as you can see, video can be played, right? So this is how we are able to add videos. Now the last thing is how we can add the figure to our source code. See, the last thing, we had to add figure. This is the figure that we have to add. We are going to do using the figure tag, figure and inside that we are going to have the image, right? So let's create the image img. We have to add the source for the image. Source equal to, we have one image named 5 tips for front-end web development.html. You can see the image here. Right click over here and click on properties and see the name. So the source is that we have copied the name extension. Save it using Control V dot jpg. Jpg only, right? Jpg file it is. Now save it, Control S, then refresh the page. So you can see the image over here. This is the audio, this is the video, and this is the image. But we want to add captions to our image. For that we use one tag known big caption. Caption is used for providing the caption to the image. So we are going to write, this is the logo image. Let's save it. Earlier there was no caption. See here, there is no caption below the image. There is no caption below the image. But after saving it and refreshing the page, logo image is the caption.